Fuel oil consumption optimization for product carrier 92,000 DWT voyage Borneo-Taiwan-South Korea by optimum trim and main engine operation point. Fuel high price and the market recession hits the fuel oil consumption to the most important factor for ship running cost. Suggested actions for lower fuel oil consumption are: main engine's fault diagnosis, ship operation at optimum trim, optimization based on the route, cargo and the voyage days. Ship running optimization gives advantage to gain the contract. Ship became competitiveness than the other ones without trim optimization. The following example presents trim optimization results. The ship has scanning at dry dock. Lines plan measured by laser system. Based on lines plan we make a 3D model of the ship hull. 3D models are in full agreement with hydrostatic tables as well. Model has adapted to official sea trials results. Fluid flow simulation with 2 phases seawater air applied. Create a calculation grid around the ship. Ship resistance estimated by the model. As example we present trip with route of 1980 nautical miles, 7 days trip. Ship hull is just dry docking. First trip part 1 to 2 Borneo-Taiwan done with mean draft 12.9 m and average speed 12.9 knots. Computer dynamic fluid analysis for seawater level around ship. Seawater surface around ship. Seawater surface at bow side. (3D) seawater surface. Vertical section of seawater surface. Video for panoramic view. Second trip part Taiwan South Korea done with mean draft 8.2 m and average speed 13.8 knots. Typical seawater surface for second trip part from Taiwan South Korea with mean draft 8.2 meters. 3D seawater surface for second voyage part. Vertical seawater level section at second voyage part. Position of flow separation points may are verified by photos. We receive 3 times day reports from the ship with drafts and main engine operational conditions includes both daytime measurements blue curve and evening time measurements red curve. Measurements taken with speed 13 knots and sea and wind conditions less than 3 Beaufort. Main engine RPM for lowest fuel consumption strongly depends by the ambient humidity and temperature, and engine room ventilation system capacity and arrangements of fans, ambient temperature and humidity, scavenging air temperature, scavenging pressure, turbocharger RPM, cylinder maximum pressure measured as well for power verification and parameters of diagnostic chart. Adjusting the main engine RPM so that the fuel oil consumption measured around the optimum. Daily fuel consumption in tons before trim optimization 48.7 per day after 43.2 per day, gain 5.5 per day. Gain of 38 tons of fuel in 7 days compare with the same route fuel consumption without trim optimization.